Hi there, this is Sandeep Arora here. Welcome to my channel. My mission is to teach you AI so you can benefit from it in business or in your life. Today I want to talk to you about small businesses and big AI. So businesses, especially small businesses today, have a unique opportunity to do things which they could never do before. Okay, AI makes it possible for anyone to reduce complex processes into simple tasks, to to reduce laborious work into efficient workflows, to save costs, to extract intelligence out of siloed knowledge. Okay, I'm gonna show you a demo of how a subcontractor uses ChatGPT to intelligently scrape data from the web and create that data into actionable intelligence. Okay, so before AI, this subcontractor had couple of resources who would go to the web, click, look at PDFs, cut and paste data into Excel sheets, and then do analysis and then reach out to those businesses. With ChatGPT, using a prompt, they can do all that in 3 minutes or less. So I'm gonna show you a demo right now. Let's see the demo and then we will come back. Okay, let's start with the demo. So we have a subcontractor and he has people, his employees, go to this website to extract project information and bidder information so that this subcontractor can reach out to them to sell his services. So every single day or maybe once a week, his employees go to this website, they look at all the projects and then they click on the bid tab link. It takes them to a PDF. They do a cut and paste of all this, of the bidder information, the amount, the license number. So this is a pretty manual, tedious, time consuming process. Okay, you go to this, look at this project, go over here, cut and paste the bidder companies, put them in your Excel sheet, go to the next one, and it goes on and on and on. All right, now this subcontractor operates in different geographies, right? So now there could be another county website or another city website which has a different format. Okay, now his employees have to do the same thing, go to the website, click on it, extract the information, put it in an Excel sheet, and then make it consumable and then reach out to those companies. So as you see, it all adds up. It limits their growth. They have to spend time on this manual complex process. All this can be automated using ChatGPT 5 or any other AI. Okay, let's take a look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use ChatGPT, okay, and we are gonna write a prompt. All right, I have it over here. So the prompt is, go to this website. I want you to extract project and bidder information. For projects which have a bid tab link, go to the link, extract information, put it in an Excel sheet and create Excel sheet for me. So just like you train your employee, right? You give it instructions, you give it guardrails, you give it steps. That's exactly how you're writing a prompt. Okay, the beauty is anybody can do it. Okay, so small businesses, okay, get ChatGPT, get GPT Enterprise for your company and start to use it, start to build AI fluency, start to grow your business. All right, coming back over here, I'm gonna click here. So now it's gonna think. Okay, it is gonna use its intelligence. It is gonna look at the website. It is gonna develop a plan. It is gonna write code to do all this for you behind the scenes. Okay, and it's gonna do it perfectly. Okay, so here you go. So this will take some time, maybe 2-3 minutes, and we'll come back to it, but I have this done here already for you. So it was the same prompt, and I can show you it did create an Excel sheet for me, and here it is. Okay, here it is. It took 2-3 minutes, and you get exactly what you needed. Okay, so let's go back to GPT-5. So it's still doing it. Okay, and you can see what it's doing. It is browsing, it is opening up the PDFs, it is doing all that behind the scenes for you. Now, so here is a big thing, right? For small businesses, this is a unique opportunity where they can convert complexity, they can reduce costs, they can innovate, they can go to new markets, they can access buried information, convert it to knowledge, and grow their business. Okay, and the beauty is anybody can do it using a prompt. Okay, anybody can do it. So hope you like that, and I'm gonna come back with another small business and big AI series very soon. Take care.